Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, I recommend to check if your headphones have the latest software version. Open QCY application. Of course your headphones should be turned on, connected to your phone. Then the application open for you headphones menu, and you need to go to the settings at the right top. Now scroll down, and you need to find firmware update line at the bottom. Firmware version is the same as software. Tap at this line, and it check for updates. It said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this window you can update it. Also, after you check firmware version for your earbuds, I recommend to check it for your phone. If you have iPhone, go to the settings, then to the general settings, and right here we have software update line. Tap at this line and update if you haven't the latest software version. On Android you need to go also to the settings, and then not to the general but to the system. And in the system, at least on stock Android, we have also software update. Okay, next is to disable special audio. Maybe you use it. You need to also open the application, go to the sound at the middle top, and right here we have spatial sound effect. So if you use it, just try to switch to another preset. Then we need to disable dual connection also. So go to the settings, scroll down. Right here we have dual device connection, and disable if you have it enabled. And then check is it fixed. If it doesn't, we should perform the software set. To perform the software set, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from the phone, and then open the charging case, and your headphones should reconnect to your phone automatically. Sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that they don't want to reconnect automatically, so if you have this problem, go to the settings, Bluetooth or connected devices, and right here tap at your earbuds. Next step, if the software set didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. And to perform the factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time don't close the case. If you close it, just open the lid, and also do not remove your earbuds from the case until you perform the factory reset. Then, at the bottom, near to the USB-C port, we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button until the LED light on the front side starts blinking red. So press and hold, it's something like 10 seconds. Firstly, start blinking white because we entered to pairing mode. Don't worry about it, just keep holding this button. And we have the red LED light, so you can release your finger. Then we can reconnect them with the phone, go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click at the forget this device button or forget device, or you may have forget or unpair or remove. And forget device. Without it, if you try to reconnect them, on iOS it will ask you to remove them. On Android it will show you connectional problem. After you remove your earbuds, if you have Android, you need to click pair new device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button in the Bluetooth, tap at this button. After that, you will see your headphones at the device list, and you need to tap on them. And we just reconnect them. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!